Feeling refreshed and radiant, a woman delights in the results of her rejuvenating facial treatment. In the pursuit of radiant and youthful skin, facials have become a go-to solution for many skincare enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to turn back the clock, replenish lost moisture, or simply refresh your complexion, there's a facial tailored to meet your specific needs. In this video, we'll explore 3 popular types of facials: rejuvenating, hydrating, and anti-aging, each offering unique benefits to enhance your skin's natural beauty.
Rejuvenating facials. These are designed to revitalize tired and dull-looking skin. These treatments often incorporate deep cleansing techniques, exfoliation, and specialized serums to promote cell turnover and stimulate collagen production. Antioxidants play a key role, helping combat free radicals and environmental damage, resulting in a more youthful and glowing complexion. Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser by Yeshua Skin Cosmetics boosts collagen, reduces hyperpigmentation, green tea, vitamins A and E, ginkgo biloba for circulation. Mint Exfoliating Scrub by Yeshua Skin Cosmetics, nourishing and hydrating exfoliant, softens and boosts glow, lemon, apple, aloe vera, apricot oil for moisture. Premium Jade Roller by Yeshua Skin Cosmetics, enhances skincare routine, reduces puffiness, stimulates lymphatic drainage, minimizes fine lines. Hydrating Serum by Yeshua Skin Cosmetics, deep hydration, fortifies skin barrier, enhances resilience, promotes youthful appearance. Vitamin C Lotion by Yeshua Skin Cosmetics, boosts collagen production, supports skin repair, fades hyperpigmentation, evens skin tone. Next, for those with dry or dehydrated skin, hydrating facials are a game changer. These treatments focus on replenishing the skin's moisture levels, leaving it soft, plump, and radiant. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid provide an intense boost of hydration. Say hello to hydration heaven. If your skin feels like it's been wandering in the desert, these facials are your oasis. We're loading up on moisture magnets like hyaluronic acid to give your skin that plump, dewy, I'm so healthy look. Start with your Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Gentle Cleanser to remove impurities. Second, buff away those dead skin cells with the Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Exfoliating Scrub. Now for the ultimate self-love tool. Bye-bye puffy eyes. Hello circulation superstar. Smoother skin ahead. Incorporate the Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Rose Quartz Roller to prep your skin for thirst-quenching hydration. Now for the 4th step, Ultimate Hydration Boss. Apply the Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Hydration Serum. Moisture locked in? Check. Scar healing power? Check. Elasticity restored? Check. You're now on your way to beautifully hydrated skin. On to our final step, Hyaluronic Acid Power. Apply the Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Hyaluronic Moisturizer for a relaxing treat and double dose of hydration. Last but definitely not least, get ready to rock those anti-aging facials. We're tackling those fine lines and wrinkles head-on with amazing ingredients like retinol, peptides, and our good friend vitamin C. Get ready to reveal a smoother, more youthful-looking you. You'll want to kick things off right, just like with our other fabulous facials. Start with a gentle cleanser and exfoliant to wash away impurities and buff off those dry, dead skin cells. Follow with Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Rose Gold Oil, rich in antioxidants to lock in moisture and brighten. It's an omega powerhouse to fight collagen loss. Seal in the glow with Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Embrace. After indulging your skin with that opulent rose gold oil, it's time for the grand finale. Yeshua Skin Cosmetics Embrace Moisturizer. This isn't just any cream. It's an anti-aging collagen moisturizer that's truly an elasticity expert. Get ready for a youthful refresh with absolutely no greasy feels.
So there you have it, gorgeous. 3 incredible facials ready to transform your skin. Whether you're craving rejuvenation, hydration, or a little anti-aging beauty, the perfect treatment is waiting for you. Ready to find your perfect facial? Head over to our online store or check out our blog for all the juicy details and to shop our amazing products.